In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your legal business name in PayPal. This is a straightforward process, but it's essential to get it right to ensure consistency across your financial documents and accounts. So, let's dive in and walk through the steps together. To get started, you'll need to log in to PayPal, but be sure to use a web browser as this particular task can't be accomplished on the mobile app. Once you're logged into your account, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Account Settings. Now that you're in your account settings, it's time to navigate to the Business Information section. This is where you'll find all the relevant settings for managing the details of your business account. In the Business Information section, look for your current business name and find the Update option right next to it. Click on Update, and you'll be taken to another page with your business profile. Here, you should have an Edit option available. Click on Edit, and then you'll want to look for the Change option under your business name. When you select this, you're indicating that your business name has changed. It's a crucial step because PayPal needs official documentation to verify your new business name. They take this seriously to protect your account security and avoid any potential conflicts with banking details. You'll be prompted to upload documentation that proves your legal business name change. This could be any official paperwork, like a certificate of registration, an amendment document, or a business permit. Make sure the name on these documents matches exactly with your intended PayPal business name. Mismatches could cause delays or even denial of your request, so double-check everything before you upload. After you've successfully uploaded your documents, PayPal will review your request. This review process ensures that all the information provided is accurate and compliant with PayPal's policies. Once your request is approved, you're all set. Your business name will be updated across your account. Ensure that this new name matches what's on your legal documents and your bank account to facilitate smooth withdrawals and transactions in the future. A quick tip to keep in mind: if you are operating under a completely new business entity, it might simplify things to open a brand new PayPal business account instead of trying to rename an existing one. This approach could make managing your accounts easier down the line. And that's it. You've successfully updated your legal business name in PayPal. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your business transitions as smooth as possible. See you in the next video.